G'day guys and girls, and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we'll be upgrading my mate's busted yellow headlights to some new, more modern headlights on his turbo diesel Nissan Navara. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so we'll do the wiring for the headlights for the nav, because they don't come with everything wired together. Your main lights are wired, but everything else, like these ones, and these ones, all need to be wired up together. So black to black and white to white. Your black is your ground, and your white is your positive. I want to make sure they're all tied together nice and neatly, so that you don't have wires hanging out everywhere, poking through. Tie them all together nicely. Do your white ones. And you want to do all this before you get it over to the car, because once you get to the car, you're going to have to cut some wiring there and get someone to hold the lights for you while you wire the drive light wiring for these bad boys. And while you're over here, move your sticker, take your old blinker light, pull them out, take the one that you should be supplied with. If not, you'll have to duck down to Bunnings. Super cheap Repco. And just slot that bad boy in. Wipe any of the residue off your hands, because it actually can do damage. And slot it in, ready to go. And now, we're good to move over to the car. Then we are back at the car, leave your plastic on your lights if you can. And we'll hook everything up that can be hooked up, and then we'll start doing the wiring. And as you can see, the wires I've already pre-cut here that the accessory light was attached to. Move them out of the way. Get a nice sharp Stanley knife. This one isn't exactly that sharp. And just start moving down. Make sure you're not getting any of the wires in. And open it up until you can peel it back a little bit. And expose the wires together. Obviously red positive, black negative. You want to cut plastic around it without cutting yourself. And pull that wiring off and expose it. Do the same for your ground wire, your black wire. And obviously positive, negative. Wire your ground up first. Make sure they don't touch. Just cut my finger so I'm a little bit sucky about using your pointer. Wire them all in together. Again, don't let them touch. Take your trusty electrical tape. Now this would be the perfect time if you had some shrink. And what you do is you put that on before you start wiring them together. And then once it's all wired up, slide it together. Apply some heat to it. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, you're good to go. What a quintessential Australian colloquialism to say. God, mouthful. Wire everything up. Wrap it up. Make sure the ends are nice and sealed together. Go with Australian pull. Take your plastic off. Put your wiring up. And now it's time to check that you wired everything in correctly. Otherwise, you're doing it all again. Alrighty, give her a go. First turn over the headlights and see if everything works. Alrighty, the accessories will come on. Not sure if you can see everything in the nice bright Australian sun. And then low beam, perfect, high beam, excellent, blinkers, excellent, spaceship's ready to go. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you would like to see similar content to this in the future. Until next time, be good and be good at it.